Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're reviewing a fantastic tool for smartphone filmmakers, the FocusFoto Smartphone Video Rig. Whether you're a vlogger, aspiring content creator, or just love filming high-quality videos, this setup could be a game changer. Stick around as we dive into its features, usability, and overall performance. The FocusFoto Video Rig is a powerful accessory designed to elevate smartphone video production. It includes a durable camera cage with dual-hand grips, a BOYA by-MM1 shotgun microphone, and a 49 LED video light. This rig accommodates smartphones ranging from 4 to 7 inches and is compatible with tripods, sliders, and dollies. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this setup provides the right tools to enhance your filming experience. This rig is built for stability and efficiency. The ergonomic dual-hand grips provide better control, reducing shaky footage for smoother shots. 2 standard shoe mounts allow for quick attachment of the LED light and microphone. The BOYA by-MM1 microphone captures clear, directional audio without requiring batteries. The 49 LED light emits 800 lumens with a 6,000 Kelvin color temperature, ensuring excellent lighting even in dim conditions. After testing, this rig proves to be highly functional. It provides excellent stabilization for handheld recording, and the microphone significantly enhances audio quality by filtering out background noise. The LED light brightens scenes effectively, making videos look more polished. Plus, its lightweight build ensures comfort during extended use, whether shooting indoors or on location. So, is the FocusFoto Video Rig a good investment? Absolutely. It combines stability, professional lighting, and crystal clear audio in a compact and affordable package. If you're serious about mobile filmmaking, this rig is a must-have. Check the link in the description for more details. If you enjoyed this review, hit the like button, subscribe for more tech insights, and share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.